I just arrived at a property that we won at foreclosure auction, well, a little over a year ago, for $290,000. I'm here right now. We're just about done getting ready to list this house. So I'm meeting the contractor here to do a punch list. So I wanted to take a walk with you guys, show you what we got here and what we've been doing. We're really close to getting this one on the market, so I'm pretty excited. And this is a good one. So let's go check it out. This is the property here. It's quite a large property. There was a pool here, failed septic that we had to repair. We are finishing up stuff like that. We got a lot of work done here. We fixed and kind of retained the siding, upgraded a lot of lighting, heating systems, new roof, repaired this beautiful porch. I love this porch. I think it's really kind of cool. So I'm really hoping to kind of get this sucker ready and on the market. So here is a 2-car garage here. We're just kind of touching up some stuff right now. And we do have another garage / end shed over there. So kind of 3-car garage. We went with a hard pack down to redo the driveway. I think that kind of keeps with the character of the house as opposed to just doing a asphalt driveway. So let's see. I'm gonna go meet the contractor here and do a little punch list. Huh? Come on, man. Hello.
Oh.
So, this is Melissa, the contractor. Hi, Melissa.
Hi.
Just kind of showing people kind of this labor of love.
Yeah.
So, you want to tell a little bit what we kind of went on here, what we kind of went through?
Yeah. So whole house renovation. We did a new kitchen with 42-inch tall cabinets plus some really awesome crown molding. Our vibe here is really super modern farmhouse. Decided to kind of go with the black in here. You know, so far I think people have really been loving the contrast. I've been posting these all over the place.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
We have a beautiful fireplace.
Yep, we whitewashed.
I love the whitewash. The whitewash looks really good, actually.
Yep.
This is nice.
I didn't like it before.
You didn't?
Now I do.
I love it.
Now
okay.
I love it. Now
okay.
I love it. Okay, so yeah, I mean, fabulous kitchen, super high end. Right now, I mean, we're working on mostly like doors and closet touch-ups.
Yeah.
Like little minor details. So, I mean, I think the living room came out great. These floors are super cool and rustic. I think they're really
I love the wide pine,
they're
plank
wide
boards.
plank pine boards, and there's just so much, you know, color going on. They're really great. We have office space.
Office space.
Two.
Let's see. Okay, so that's come out really, really nice. I'm pretty excited. So just kind of break down the numbers. So once again, we bought this for $290,000 at a foreclosure auction a little over a year ago. We also had some backhoe taxes of around $6,000 that we had to pay. We've had quite a bit of holding costs because we did take a lot longer for this project because it was far away. And I do recommend, if you're getting started, stay away from far away projects because that just adds to the holding costs and the difficulty of completing the project. So we're looking at probably about $50,000 in holding costs alone. Then on top of that, our rehab budget did go above what we thought because we've done a little bit more. So we spent about $125,000 on total rehab. Now, it hasn't sold yet, so wait and see. But we did hire an appraisal, third-party appraisal, just to get a better idea of the market because it is we're shifting into the spring market. We want to make sure we hit the right price so we have less holding costs and get it sold quickly. So I'm waiting for that appraisal to come in. It's supposed to be in probably this weekend. My guess is between $1 million and 1.1 is the sweet spot. So maybe we'll list it for $1,099,999. I think that's going to be probably our list price. And then hopefully we get multiple offers and get this thing under contract pretty quick. But we'll wait and see. Now, in price points of this type of property in this area, typical close time from start to close when you list it is about 80 days. So that's something, you know, important to know. That's about the average. So that's a, you know, important factor because that's going to be other holding costs. So we are hoping to lock it up real quick so we can, once again, move on and get this capital moving into the next project. But pretty excited. This was a great foreclosure buy. So even if we have to list the price a little bit less, we are thinking also about doing maybe a $5,000 credit to either a pellet or a wood stove for that area where the whitewash is. Just so this way people can pick out what they want to pick out. I think that's kind of the best approach. And we are hoping to have this on in the next 2 weeks. We have a little bit more, as you can see, there's some touch-ups. The electrician's got to come back for a few things. And then there's a couple other things in the yard that we want to get done. But we are getting ready to list this sucker. I'm pretty excited. So I'll keep you guys updated. And if you guys have any questions, I'd like to know your thoughts of what we've done with this property. Leave a comment below. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.